Hello, Astronomy Online students, and welcome to week 2 of your online course. So this week, it's going to look like our normal weeks, but this week we're covering Chapter 2 only, so it's a little bit of a shorter week, but Chapter 2 is kind of jammed-packed with some really great information. Because this week you're going to cover some more about the constellations, you're going to learn about why we see lunar phases, why we see eclipses, and really talk about why do we experience seasons. So this is one of my favorite chapters because not only are you learning about the night sky and being able to go outside and really appreciate what you see, you're also able to really understand why we see what we see. So as you're learning about these things, take time, go see what the lunar phase is this week, and maybe try to view the moon, okay? Let's see, so you have your week prep questions on mastering astronomy. Those will be due on Wednesday, don't forget. You'll have a discussion board this week and your homework due. And then our activity this week is using the free planetarium program called Stellarium. So Stellarium is my go-to night sky program. It's a really robust planetarium program. So you can download this for free, whether you have a Mac or a PC or a Linux system, you can download this program for free. If you don't have a computer that you feel like you want to download the program onto, you can actually use the online web-based version of Stellarium. But I really do encourage you to download it. It doesn't take up much space on your computer at all, and I just find it's a resource that I go back to all the time. Just if you want to know what the phase of the moon is, you want to know what constellations are going to be up. It's a really neat program. So the activity this week is to step you through getting familiar with that program and use it to really get your mind around the alt-azimuth coordinate systems. Okay, so altitude being the alt, the degrees above the horizon, and then your azimuth, the degrees around the horizon. Okay, so that is going to kind of help get your mind around those concepts. And of course, you'll end the week with your quiz. Now, the only addition that's going to be new this week is we are starting the current news assignment. So everybody is assigned a different week. So if you go to the current news assignment module, you'll find all the information that you need. And on like the 4th tab over on the main page, it will show you which project you've been assigned in what week. So you're either assigned to investigate news in planetary or deep space. So planetary just means anything within our solar system. So either the planets or asteroids or other moons of planets or any missions, NASA missions or European Space Agency or other agencies, their missions to these different objects are also a great idea for the planetary news. And then deep space is kind of everything else, okay? So nebula, starbirth, galaxies, dark matter, things like that. Okay, so those current news, we will start this week. So there's 5 of you that are starting this week, and you'll be typing up a summary. You'll need to type up a Twitter-sized summary and then a full summary, because we're going to place the Twitter-sized summary on our course Twitter feed that you have access to, and you can share if you'd like. But then I want a more robust summary to see that you've really understood it, and you're able to tie in links from our class into the project. So I'll make another video after this video really explain the depths of the current news project, but that's starting this week, so take a look and see which week you're assigned. Now, of course, you can do your project early if you don't want to wait till your week. That's totally fine. Okay. All right, so Chapter 2 this week, really diving into the motions of the night sky and what we see when you look up. All right, so have a great week. Please let me know if you have any questions at any time, and I hope you're enjoying everything so far. All right, talk to you soon.